Old King Saul was a merry old fowler.
Really now? Him was a merry old fowler.
Yes, sir. And a merry old fowler was he. Sucking his tama. And he
teaching white children. How will you make up that poem of a master? Are your mother? Has she had the merry old fowl? Go on, go sit down. I said, go on, sit down.
Oh, mother.
Sir, me have a bad poem, sir. My mother say it's the bestest poem she ever heard.
Go sit down, Harlix.
Sir, my name is
I said, go sit down. Did I make you so quiet, missus? Did you compose a poem for class today?
No, sir.
Really now? Come here to me.
Sir.
I said, come here to me.
Spanish town, Sir Brian Peter with the noodle stick.
I won't make up one. Me just remember, sir.
Good. Let's hear it.
are your lover. Mutu have a girlfriend. Sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G.
Muta could never be my boyfriend.
Why?
Because me don't want no barefoot children.
That's a foolishness, sure.
Yeah.
You ever see pretty ball in a shows?
No.
Okay, it's quiz time. Are you ready for embarrassing yourself?
Yes, sir.
How you got no shame? But you just listen to me. You cannot afford to disgrace me in front of the entire school and the principal.
No, sir.
So what me is going to do when me ask you the question, you see, me going to make the answer very obvious that as me open my mouth, so you know the question.
Yeah.
Racquel, please to collect all exercise book and put them on the table. I don't want no cheating.
Sir, but it's me usually.
Sit down.
Yes,
Now, I would like 4 volunteers from 6A. Remember now, each member of the winning team will get a very nice cap donated by JN Money Transfer. Okay? 1, 2. Come, you come too. Okay. Yes, man. Me know the freeness to the end people. Now, all stand. Now, in this section, you have 1 minute to answer as many questions as possible. If you don't know the answer, say pass.
We are going to say pass.
Now 6A, it is your first minute. CO2 is the chemical formula for what gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Correct. A young cow is called a?
Cow.
Correct. If A equals 2 and B equals 4, what is A plus B?
6.
Correct. End of your first minute, 6A. Now 6A.
Present, sir.
On the notice of them bright.
We brighter than them.
Good. Now 6A, give a 3-letter word for the organ you use to see.
Sir, man, don't you quote your eye. No, the long song. The long song, sir. Spectre.
Sir, pass. You don't take too long.
Aye, the answer is your yaya. Now 6Z, name the capital of Jamaica. Allah will live there.
Ghetto.
Sir, pass.
Kingston. The answer is Jamaica. Kingston is the answer. Now 6Z, a triangle has how many sides?
Sir, pass.
Why you not stop say pass? And give me a chance to answer the questions.
I think no make no difference.
A triangle has 3 sides.
And that me get work out, you know?
Now, if A equals 4 and B equals 5, what is B minus A? I want want one answer.
No, Milo. You have to work it out first.
Yes, Milo. Work it out.
So why you not work it out?
Me page finish.
Tell it.
87.
One. The answer is one. Now, H2O is the chemical formula for what liquid? We drink it every day.
Porridge!
Me don't like porridge. Me don't drink woman water from the sun. It's a woman brain, man.
That is incorrect. The answer is water. Now, a young rabbit is called a
rabbi.
That's bad. That is a plural.
Is rabbi.
You are both incorrect. A young rabbit is called a rack. A rack. Now, six-zed, on what continent would you find a chili?
England. I hear over there is very chilly.
That is so very wrong. The answer is South America. End of your first minute, six-zed. Now, 6A, what is the square root of 4?
2.
Correct. Who is the Prime Minister of Jamaica? You listen to me. Now in 1973. The answer should have been Michael Manley. Now, that's the end of your second minute. Now, six-zed.
Present, sir.
Name the 1972 festival song and the singer.
Oh, Peter Touch.
No, Stevie Wonder, the deaf one.
Sir.
No, that's a pass. Me know that.
All right, say the answer then.
Song name.
Hurry up now. You know if you're wasting a minute.
It name.
Make case and me a go pass.
You're gonna make the minute done.
Me a go pass.
Time up. The song is Come Down Off Your Pumps and Pride by Toots and the Maytals.
That next choice, sir.
Will you take too long? And now for the buzzer section. In this section, you lose 1 point for every wrong answer. Now, to operate the buzzer, all you need to do when you know the answer is to touch this gadget like so. The light will come on, I'll recognize you, and then you may answer.
A Phoebe a go press it.
And me a press it.
Now, let's go. What does the acronym USA stand for? 6A?
United States of America.
Correct.
Why you hold up your answer high for?
In what month do Jamaicans celebrate Christmas? 6A.
Phoebe, this
All right.
is like this.
Name the 4th day of the week. Yes! Correct. Name Jamaica's only national heroine. What is the... Six-zed.
Why you look away if I know you pressing?
But them a answer all the questions them and they not give me a chance.
Well, you get a chance. Answer.
Six-zed.
Boss.
No, you can't pass in any section. Once you press the buzzer, you have to answer the question regardless of where me reach in the question. Now, what is?
Courage.
Wrong. That's very wrong. Okay. The question was, what is the tangent of 45 degrees? And the answer is 1.
I mean, him know the one there.
Now, in what month do Americans celebrate the 4th of July? Go ahead, Six-zed.
Milo, after we don't live into America.
Don't spot, but I want the easy. Sir, they celebrate it in February.
Idiot! A July. Now, a young cat is called. Go ahead, Six-zed. That's it. Quiz done. The total score is 6-8-25 and 6-zed minus 30. Yeah! Hello, a 6A winner.
Then 30 no more than 25.
Me never say 30. Me say minus 30. I'm gonna lose 1 point for every wrong answer. I'm gonna never get 1 right. Now let's give the geniuses of 6A a very big round of applause. Congratulations, 6A. Congrats. You did very, very well. Your teachers all to the crowd. Clap them. I said clap them. As to Hono 6-zed, after that dismal performance, I don't think I can recommend you to the principal visit. No common entrance.
Because you have the Paris, the brave lad.
Yes! Let's time! Praise!
Me have to find a way to reach England. Then I wanna sit down there and look up in my morning, so far. You don't hear the bell at recess. And hello, please do not go outside, go run up and down and come back in and smelling moldy and sweaty, and look like dirty bus. I don't remember now my birthday coming up. And me take cash. And I know a whole lot of town have enough friends and family are foreign. Please to tell them to put some money in the JN money transfer and maybe use my swipe card and swipe it out. And hello, I am begging you now, please, do not go out a gate and buy nothing from Sofoot Audrey. Because she's not hygienious. And I, who no talk, take drop shot here. But you see the little saltfish and breadfruit and the biscuit and soda selling are going outside there? I mean, control. So, one of the patronize me here. But remember now, me no trust.
Hey, leave me some now. Move on, work, move.
When me done eat me chingo. You don't want to fly down me throat and tie up me try.
Racquel. This one dance with me later when you keep in the class party.
Hey, Dorcas and Carlos, will you stop rumping that class when we just fix up now? I hope everybody remember that today is Sir's birthday and we're keeping up with class party. So I hope all of you bringing up present. Hey, you see, after our performance into the quiz, it's Uncle Bride. We're going to make Sir make we sit. Come on, entrance. Hey. When Sir come, make all of we sing happy birthday. Yeah. Or if we sing here? Yes. You here? Yes. Hello. We have to butter him up.
If we want take the test, if we want be we best, like fresh baked bread, if we butter him up.
If we want to take the test,
If we butter him up.
if we want to be we best,
So we smiles them face like a sweet full of cake. Make we butter him up. Make we butter him up.
like fresh baked bread,
If we butter him up.
make we swell up him head.
So we smiles them face like a sweet full of cake. Make we butter him up. The future depend on common entrance. We can't afford to miss we last chance.
I just lost some word because it very much.
Are a nice little set of a soul comb and a bra.
A very cheap pair of
Terry cloth socks,
a plastic mug
In a pretty little box.
We're choosing presents with no picky. For we know some we teach are just licky. So make we butter him up.
if we want to take the test,
If we butter him up.
if we want to be we best,
So we smiles them face like a sweet full of cake. Make we butter him up.
I come again,
Make we butter him up.
like fresh baked bread,
If we butter him up.
make we swell up him head.
So we smiles them face like a sweet full of cake. Make we butter him up.
for Coca-Cola, sir.
Oh, very nice. This is so lovely. All these presents, they belongs to me?
Yes, sir.
And I told them not to distress their parents into getting me. I look at all these lovely things and I get... Wait a minute. Them present ya, one shot. Who never bring no present? Me say, who never bring no present? Racquel?
When me ask me mother for money to buy a present, she said, she can't afford to buy no t-shirt.
Is that a fuck? Well, tell her not me, mama, say me, say. If she'd have stopped change her hair and her fingernail them every week, she'd have even buy a picnic teacher a decent present when his birthday come.
Yes, sir.
And me notice she never give me nothing for Mother's Day. Her blooming falls, see if you ever seaweed.
I'm sorry, sir.
Oh no, Racquel, you're not sorry yet. How when time come to me, recommend who visit the common entrance. No, you're sorry. You and your mama are blooming in back dry and cracky like the Arabian desert. All I get from somehow is hard luck story. But I only want to God, you know. None of them no good on my Woolworth and time struggle by nothing can come give me. Because I no got nothing in my house from those cheap stores. I don't set foot in them the place because of oh my, what a lovely cup and sauce.
Sir, it's me bring that one, sir.
Me know you Kool-Aid.
Milo, sir.
Me say me know you bring that one your sugar and water. Because I didn't see it to your mama give me for Easter and Father's Day. Then me say the whole word. 16 and the set. A smart your mama think she's smart. $1.25 she pay for the set. And then she give me them one. But tell your mama for me say, if she ever send one more salsa from me, I'm going to take it on in a flying salsa. And I'm going to seal it straight in your box for it. My cousin was teacher at Hillel. What do you know what is it?
Sir, you want me to help you pack them up, sir?
But that's all you come to school for, though. My cousin was teacher at Hillel. What do you know where him get for him birthday?
No, sir.
Jewelries. Chains and watches and chaperitas and all them things there. The months me I have bat out me come up and him tough it, pick them hot all the way to God this and away. 3 words we got to describe on 3 words. Ungrateful. Cheap lemonade glass. Cheap lemonade glass. Me don't know what no more, you know, because me show the rest what the exact same thing. Oh, we don't know what that said. I don't know how to cheap lemonade glass. I don't know. Alright, see that? The first thing I like, see that? Cheap lemonade glass. Not even a little decoration for it.
Sir, is me bring that one with the decoration for the rapper, sir? The decoration for the rapper.
Your frozy head pupper thing say cheap lemonade glass can go in my expensive mahogany block front. Hey, without lighting to it. One thing say me can't turn on light for them a cheap thing, yeah?
No, sir!
Sir, my father said it is the thoughts that count.
Well, tell your papa say me say. Him fit Thought of something more expensive for something. Oh, the amount of ganja we feel papa say. Him can do better. Oh. How do things say? Me no know say they don't have time store pan special.
Sir, if you do not shop there, how you know it's sell there, sir?
We're past it. And I see them in the showcase. List them in the office. So cheating. I don't want no more cheap none. Because it deserve better than no. I hope bring them fluxy man where you coming. But to the show me a chat to the bad men people them. And that's one of them and pay me dog mine. Me say, who bring that dozen hairy man where you come give me? Oh no, can't tell you. One tribe for Phoebe. This might sound impossible for you to believe, but there are people in this life who think of other things besides food. I are spoken. And for your information, me no am hairy mango. Feet go hitch up in my dentures. And in my teeth. I look good and service happy and full of work.
Sir, since you do not want them, I will distribute them all.
Left them dirty water. Left them. I am going to take them home and give to the neighbor to feed our dog.
Sir, the dog eats mango, sir.
Mandela, will you please to take out the reading book and read chapter chapter 20?
Sir, it's only 12 chapters.
Well, read chapter 10 2 times. And check them out. How many hell this?
Sir, that are a candle holder, sir.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it lovely?
Yes, sir.
Is which one on a nice student bring this lovely candle holder for me?
Sir, is that girl right there, sir, in the strap blouse? She shines, sir. She shines, sir.
It's you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, when you come on entrance, this I go make up, you will be on top. Come, make everybody see you. Come. Come, sir, let them see the nice student. What bring this lovely candle holder for me? Very nice. That's so very nice. Stand up right here, sir. Eh?
She's pretty, sir.
Yes, a very pretty student. I've never seen her before.
Yes, sir. She always come Thursday class, sir.
Okay. Now, tell me something. You didn't tell your mama say me can't pay me like it? Eh? You didn't tell her say JP slack off me like? No. Oh, the God, the truth is only liberty now.
Yes, sir.
Let her get a big say the camel and carry up your mom and say, I'm saying that. No, she hold her hand. Before the big mama, put on one and I'll get one of them nice electric standing lamp. She'll come in the camel holder. Yo, mama, you say me I walk over there?
Yes, sir.
Racquel?
You going to give it back to her?
Oh no, Racquel. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go keep it. And I'm going to go to St. Thomas. And I'm going to go get 2 red candles put in it. And I bet you next year your mama give me jewels straight. Your mama blooming teeth, then favor somebody in a tri-cane over there. Find your seat. Listen to me good. Nobody, and I mean nobody from 6-zed is going to sit the common entrance. Not one. Uno can take that, put it in on a lemonade glass, and drink it. Sir!
We're going to protest. You think Sir really serious this morning when he say he's not going to make me sit the common entrance?
Of course. You know, she said, he not come back at class.
No common entrance we can't take. No common entrance. Lord, you feel with shame. You alone know pain. No common entrance we can't take. No common entrance. Titus here. Anywhere you go, search high and low. We guarantee you never see no Big Nemo car.